Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Leetcode grind. Today we have 2678 number of senior citizens. Number of senior citizens. It says here you're given a zero indexed array of strings details. Each element of details provides information about a given passenger compressed into a string of length 15. The system is such that the first 10 characters consist of the phone number of passengers. The next character denotes the gender of the person. The following two characters are used to indicate the age of the person. So 10, 11. So this is the 12th character and the 13th character. And then the last two characters determine the seat allotted to that person. Return the number of passengers who are strictly more than 60 years old. We see examples here where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the phone number, then the gender, then the age, and then the seat number. So we can say 10, 11, 12. This would be the 11th index, or we can go backwards and say this is -4. But let's start the structure. We're counting the number of passengers who are seniors. Okay, and we can say for string in details, the age is going to be the int of this string from the 10, 11, 12. I think that's 2, 11, and 12, so 13. Greater. Actually, let's just print it out just to confirm. Yeah, it's 75, 92. Okay, great. So we have the age and say if this value, which is the age extracted from this string, if that is strictly greater than 60, then we can add to our seniors. And at the end, just return seniors. Give that a go and submit. And that does work. However, we can actually do this in one line. We are using Python after all. So we can return using the same logic that we have here. Um, we can say if we can say senior for we can say user for user in details. D for D in details if D and then say otherwise none. And then return the count, which is not none. And it's not none if this holds true, which is that the age is strictly greater than 60. Let's give that a go. Let's see. We have the opening and the closing bracket. Opening, closing bracket. Oh, okay. There you have it. Oh, and that does seem to have better time complexity. This was once again 2678, number of senior citizens. Thanks so much. Happy coding, and hope to see you next time.